Hi guys, I wanted to show you this awesome piece of software that I use. I'm a destination wedding photographer and I own a really busy studio, so anything I can find that helps my business run smoothly, quickly, and most importantly, easily is a goal for me. So I found BlogStomp a few years ago and I absolutely love it, and I wanted to show you guys how I use it. So this is the initial interface when you log into BlogStomp. You can see over here to the left, I have all of my high resolution images straight from the client's folder. You don't have to downsize it. BlogStomp does that for you, so yay. So before I even start a blog, what I do is I come over here to settings and we automatically land on styles. So as you can see to the left, there's lots of different things you can do here, or you can customize it over here to the right. So I start with image width. So this is your pixels per inch. For SEO, you always want to have small file sizes on your website. So I set mine at 2048. Some people go even smaller, but this is what I'm happy with. For border, you can play around with it. I usually keep it at 20, but as you can see, you can make it really thick or really thin. It's super easy to use. I'm going to set it back here on 20. Okay, and another thing that you can do that I actually used to use is tab height. So you can increase your tab height, and I would go ahead and just stick my logo in it. So as you can see right here, you can add your logo and you can lock it in. So this is really good if you wanted to have a strong brand identity on your blog. So once you're happy with everything, you're going to go over here to Output, and this is telling BlogStomp where you want your photos to go. So once you're done finishing the layouts, it'll automatically go into a folder of your choice on your computer. Also, you can make it a custom file name, which is another great thing for SEO. So I always name it very specifically the words of the venue and where they were at. BlogStomp will automatically name each file layout, each photo layout that you create in BlogStomp, the venue name -1, -2, -3, -4. So that is completely done for you. So we're gonna hit OK, and we're gonna come back here. So right here is kind of like your design studio. So you can do a lot with this. What I do is, so let's start with detail photos. So let's say I want to start off a blog with details. I usually do 3 vertical details together because I just think it looks nice. So you just hit the command button and you can hit as many as you wanted. So I can keep stacking it up, but we're just going to do 3 for now. And as you can see on the far right over here, you can get really cool and do completely different shapes. And it does this for you. And then I love this. You can hit mix it up. So if you just want to see what it looks like in different ways, you can hit that. Everything is so user-friendly and quick. So once you're happy with the layout, all you do is hit stomp it, and it goes directly to the file on your computer. That layout is ready to go on your website. And then you just continue through here. Also, another thing that I love is, as a wedding photographer, you can get a lot of photos to go through for your blog. So if there's a photo I know I'm not going to use and I kind of want to get it out of my way, I just hit the X button and it goes away. So it makes this list to the left shorter. So anyways, I love this software and I'm going to show you the results of using it next. Okay, so I'm here at my blog on Squarespace and I've completed all of my photo layouts through BlogStomp, and as you can see, they went to the stomped folder right here. So now all I do is I highlight all of these layouts that I did. They're already in order for me, which is amazing. Highlight, open, and upload, and they will upload to my blog automatically, and all I have to do is write a few words up there and I'm done. Alright guys, I wanted to show you the final result of my blog, and I used BlogStomp software to create this. So blogging used to take me like half a day to a full day to do, so I actually didn't blog for like 3 years because it was so hard to pick out all the photos and then decide how to do the layouts, and then you have to format them for the web. So it was just such a tedious task, I gave up on it. But then I found BlogStomp, and actually I did this blog post right here in less than 30 minutes. So this has been such a time saver in my life, and I own a super busy business, so I'm really grateful for it. And as you can see, the layouts are really clean and they help to tell the story of the day, And you just do this with a push of the button. It's so easy. And if you want to have a super branded blog, like I said earlier, you can actually design your layouts to where you have your logo like in between each photo or in the corner of a photo. So I haven't even scratched the surface with everything you can do here. On BlogStomp, there's so many different things, but this is just the blogging aspect of it. I love this company so much. I actually wrote them, which I tend to do when I really appreciate somebody's company as an entrepreneur myself. And I told them how much I appreciated them, and they actually want to give you guys 10% off their software in return. So I'm going to link that below. And then hopefully in the future, I can show you guys the other amazing things that you can do with their software.